Bitcoin has seen a solid run back to the upside over this weekend. We were looking at a potential drop here as we tested resistance at $111,680. I have to say, as we reach $117,000 and test that again, I do think it's important to be careful. Whale money is moving out of the market. Trades in favor is high with an 82% chance of a drop. If we get a red volume bubble or a bubble and sell signal at the same time, this is where we could see major moves back to the downside. Now, this does not scare me. This is not something I'm worried about. We have now created a higher high formation, so we are not technically in a downtrend anymore, at least not on the daily time frame. What we need to think about here is where we're going to find our next entry opportunity for Bitcoin and what that's going to look like, both in terms of support targets and indicator signals. We're going to jump right into it, but first I want to introduce myself. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we actually have 313 wins. That one right before I was about to start recording. Guys, I'm going to go over this trade win later, but today we're focusing on Bitcoin. Last week, we had a brand new future forecast preparing you for the wealth that's coming. We have a downloadable budget app walkthrough here for you, and we have trade setups, likely new ones coming soon, especially if we start seeing some more wins. If you're not a member yet, sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off. And with that, let's get started. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, volume bubbles, price versus whale money flow, and trades in favor indicators. First off, price versus whale money flow is relatively low on its chart, but whale money is moving out of the market. When whale money moves out of the market, the price tends to follow. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. It's as simple as that. And this green line pointing down represents that selling pressure. If we get a red sell volume bubble, either of these, as you're going to see near the tops almost every single time, this is where we need to be ready. While money flow shows direction and speed of money moving out of the market, the volume bubble indicator tracks the actual size of the volume of trades moving out. So if we get any red bubbles here, ideally, maybe not ideally being the best word, but if we get a normal or large volume sell bubble, this is where we're likely to see drops. A sell or strong sell signal typically indicates an ideal candle exit, and with trades in favor at the top showing an 82% chance of a drop, this means we're nearly at a full bullish quadfecta looking for a move down. This presents an entry opportunity. The last entry we saw back here with price versus whale money flow low and trades in favor low saw a move up on candle close so far of 8.58%. Not too shabby for Bitcoin, and most traders are going to pay attention here. Most altcoins multiply the movements of Bitcoin by 2 to 3 times. Guys, that is 16 to 24% gains over the last week after Bitcoin bottomed out. And with that in mind, how can we find the next entry? Well, you already saw it. We want to see price versus whale money flow low. We want to see trades in favor low. On top of that, green volume bubbles and a buy or strong buy signal creates a bullish quadfecta. Right here, buy or strong buy. If we can get price versus whale money flow low, trades in favor low, and a green volume bubble, that is 4 out of 4 signals that most often sends the price absolutely flying. Honestly, I'm going to tell you right now, we don't need 4 out of 4. Typically, 3 out of 4 is plenty. And that is called a trifecta. 3 out of 4 is a trifecta. 4 out of 4 is a quadfecta. Any combination of these indicators, whether it be 3 or 4 total posting, is bullish. And this is the entry strategy that has earned us 313 wins with 0 losses over the last 32 months. It's the entry strategy that this trader used to earn $15,700 in a week. This trader met their goal of becoming debt-free, earning $1,000 to $5,000 every day with your indicators. Guys, it is crazy what our traders are able to accomplish. If you're not a member yet and you want to maximize your discounts on these indicators as well as gain money-making benefits, all you need to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. As a member, you're saving $150 off. The Pro Indicator Pack gets you $400 off the TC Top and Bottom Finder. Purchase of either the Pro Indicator Pack or the TC Top and Bottom Finder gets you 60% off the volume bubbles if you email in at betradeconfident@gmail.com. This is how we are maximizing discounts. Guys, save hundreds of dollars on these indicators and start trading like an expert. Again, if you haven't signed up yet, links are in the description down below. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the last future forecast and the next one coming out tomorrow. Don't miss out.